Homework tonight, 5-5, breaking apart numbers to subtract. If you remember back to addition a couple weeks ago, a month ago, we spent some time breaking apart numbers to subtract, to add. Now we're going to do some work on subtracting. So the first step you need to understand is that you're going to take this subtrahend and you're going to break that number apart, the smaller number. 2. When you break it apart, you're looking for two numbers that add together to make 9, which are add-ins. But you want to look for a clue in the ones digit in your minuend, and that is going to be one of your two add-ins down here to make 9. So you have 65 minus 9. We need two numbers to add together to equal 9 to break it apart. Well, let's take one that's 5. Why? Because 65 minus 5 is easy in your brain to get to. 65 minus 5 is 60. Now we know 5 plus another number is equal to 9. 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is when those addition facts come in handy if you memorize those. 5 and 4 make 9. So we broke apart 9. We subtract 65 minus 5 is 60. Now all we have left, that 9 is gone. We don't need to subtract anymore. We just use these two. Now all that's left is the 4. 60 minus 4 equals 60 minus 4 is easy on a hundreds chart. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next equation down here, 24 minus 7. You're going to break apart the 7. Well, here's your clue. You're going to subtract 4. And then 4 plus 3 is 7. 24 minus 4. 20 minus, well, these are gone now. The 7's gone because we split it apart, broke it apart. Minus 3. Hundreds chart again. If you have those at home, I would use them. If you need one, there's a pile of them in the class. You're starting at 20, you're hopping back 3. 20, 1, 2, 3, 17. $84 minus 8. Here's your clue when you're breaking apart 8. 4, use 4. That's an easy one. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 84 minus 4 is 80. Minus 4. There's your hundreds chart. If your child doesn't have that, 80 minus 4. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 76. Now this strategy is not going to be a benefit. This is just one of the many strategies. It's not going to be a benefit if you can't, in your head, mental math, go 80 minus 4. It's going to be an extra step. It's going to be a little bit more challenging. So basically, we're taking these numbers. You're taking the subtrahend. You're breaking it apart into a fact, addition fact down here. But the clue is looking at the ones digit and the minuend. That's your clue. On the back, 41 minus 5. You're going to break apart the 5. The first thing I would tell your child to do at home is to draw these to break apart. One's my clue. 4's my clue. 5's my clue. Those are my clues right away. You just break it down to steps. That's the first step. Break apart the subtrahend. Second step, look at the ones digit. That's your clue. You're going to use that in your breaking apart. Now, fill it in. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. Next step done. Now you subtract. 41 minus 1, 40. Got 4 left, minus 4. 94 minus 4 is 90, minus 4. 25 minus 5 is 20. 5 minus 4 is equal to. And that's your last step. Now you're just going to use that hundreds chart or your mental math to say, okay, 40 minus 4, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 36. 90 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 86. 25 minus 9. Not 25 minus 9, excuse me. 20 minus 4. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. That's how you break your numbers apart up there to subtract. Tables show how many spools of thread sold at Smith's Fabric Store sold on Monday. Before the sale, there were 34 red spools and 53 black spools. How many red spools were left at the end of Monday? How many black spools? So, 34 for the red, 53 for the black. You know you're going to subtract these left. Where left, it's subtraction, it's minus. So you're going to do 34 minus and 53 minus. The red, this is red, minus 8. 53 is the black. Black is 6, minus 6. Now all you're going to do is break these apart. You're going to break 8 apart. You're going to break. And with these, it doesn't say you have to break apart numbers, but it might be just a good habit to get into for this one. You can just go 34 minus 8 on the 100 chart and 53 minus 6 on the 100 chart. Call it a night. So if you have that at home, you can do that. Or count back with your fingers. Both good strategies. For here, I'm going to show you how to count, how to break apart the numbers. You're going to use that 4, which is going to be 30 minus 4. And down here, you're going to say 3 is your clue. 3 plus 3 is 6. 50 minus 3. Again, this is mental math or 100 chart. 50 minus 3 is 47. 30 minus 4 is 26. Down at the bottom, Ron has 21 comic books. He sells 6 of them to a friend. How many comic books Ron have now? 21 minus 6. Break it apart. Practice the strategy. There's your 1. There's your 5. 20. 21 minus 1 is 20. Minus 5. 15. And last but not least, Yelena has 5 animal stickers. Vera has 41 animal stickers. How many fewer? Fewer subtraction. You're going to get to a point where you can't just rely on it being subtraction. So my message to you is to have your child read these and circle keywords. It's going to get to a point where they're going to need to know the difference. 41 minus 5. Breaking apart, 1 and 4, which means 40 minus